In the last video, we built our very first AI application using Gemini API. We typed one question, Gemini answered it, and our program ended. That's not how ChatGPT works, right? You ask one question and another and another. Today, we are going to upgrade our AI application into a real chatbot. Along the way, you'll learn one of the most important concepts of Python, loops. Let's run the code from our previous video. Let's type hi. We get an answer. See the problem? The chatbot answered once, then quit. If ChatGPT worked like this, you would have to reopen it every single time you asked a question. Let's fix that. Let's cut this part of the code and type. We are not changing what our chatbot does, we are changing how many times it does. This is called while loop. Read it like English sentence. While this condition is true, keep running the code below it. In our case, the condition is simply true. The Python will keep running it forever. Think it like a security guard. As long as the shopping mall is open, the guard keeps walking around. The moment mall closes, the guard stops. A loop works the same way. It keeps working until we tell it to stop. Now let's move the previous code under it. Everything under the while loop has to be indented by 4 spaces. So let's copy all this and press on tab. Now we have indentation under the while loop. Python uses indentation to know which lines belong together. Since these lines are inside the loop, they'll run over and over again. Now let's run the code again. Let's type hi. Let's type what is Python. Nice. Our chatbot now keeps talking, but we created another problem. Let's type exit. That's not what we wanted, right? We wanted the program to stop, not for it to give another opportunity to ask a question. Let's teach Python how to recognize this word exit. Let's type the code. Let's understand this one line at a time. If means only run this code if something is true. The question is simply whatever the user typed. In plain English, if I type hello, then the question contains hello. The double equal sign doesn't assign value, they compare two values. The break immediately stops the loop. Let's run this again. Let's type hi. Let's ask what day is today. And now let's exit. Perfect. Now our chatbot behaves more like a real application. Today, we learned something every Python programmer uses, loops. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we let Python repeat it for us. Our chatbot is finally starting to feel like a ChatGPT. But there's one huge problem. If I tell, my name is Alex, and then ask what my name is, it has no idea. That's because our chatbot has no memory. In the next video, we learn list dictionaries by giving our chatbot real conversation histories, so it can remember everything we say. That's also the first step towards building AI agents. Subscribe to Forge Automations for more such videos. See you in the next one.